Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by the classroom again today. I want to take a minute and show you another type of splice called a clip and splice. As the name implies, this includes a brass shim that we call a clip and a piece of tape to do the cover tape. For this splice, you will be needing to use a splice tool. It comes in 8 to 24 millimeter widths, and it can be done on paper or embossed tape. Let's go to the video and I'll show you how to use both. I want to show you another type of splice today, one that uses a tool. It's called clip and splice tape. It has a clip and a piece of splice tape on one handy unit. When you go to do this, the first thing you do is we're going to cut our tape using our scissors with the alignment block on the 4 millimeter block. Cut the tape, and then we're going to take our splice and we're going to put it on the tool. It's a ratchet type tool, self-releasing. So after you get the tape, the splice in there, you want to put the tape in halfway through, and it has clips on the side to help hold the tape for you while you're aligning it. Put it on both sides halfway through, and then spin the clip to hold it. You squeeze down on the ratchet. When you let go, it releases. Take the pieces off there, remove the splice, and the splice has an alignment system on it. Pre-fold. Take your protective tape off, fold it over on the crease. It helps you align it. Once you do that, you remove the protective tape. Pull that off. You can see we have a nice splice with the brass clip on the back, like so. And then when you pull the cover tape off, it takes both pieces off. And you still have the brass piece on there to help it through the feeder. Then when we want to do emboss tape, it's the same setup. We just take our 4 millimeter pitch block, cut the tape. Then we take our tool and we put the splice, the brass clip in upside down. Then we take our tape, put it in there halfway, spin the clip to hold it into position, put the other piece on, spin the clip to hold it into position, splice, release with the pins and pull it off. Pre-fold on the fold, take the protective tape off, fold it over. When we do that, we release the protective tape from the back and the front. Make sure it's on there. Then when you pull it through the feeder, it pulls the cover tape off. I want to thank everybody for stopping by the classroom today. Please remember that Smart Splice is the only full-service tape splicing company in the industry, and we back that claim with video meetings, webinars, and even a personal visit from yours truly, Professor Splice. All you need to do is contact me at the university or right here. Thank you.